Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and I'm going to make a quick update video on my schedule of waking up at 5 a.m. every single morning, and if it's actually changed things for the better or for the worst. So if you guys don't know, I just recently changed my schedule from waking up at about 7 to 8 o'clock every single morning to now I wake up at 5 a.m. every single morning. I go and do a quick exercise routine in the morning. I go to the gym. Typically at about 5:30 is when I get there, and then I usually finish anywhere between 6:30 to 7 o'clock depending on what I have to, do at the gym in the morning. And then obviously I head off to work, get all my filming done, all my work stuff done, and then, after work, which is typically from 8:30 to 5:30, I then go home, do all my video editing for this channel and the main channel as well. And then obviously after that, I do whatever I want for the rest of the night, or I go to sleep. And this video is going to be, I've been doing this for about 2 weeks. This video is going to be my 2-week update, I guess you could call it, on, if it's actually changed things in my life for the better. Now, so far, it has actually been pretty positive in general. I've actually gotten a whole lot more work done. I've been able to upload consistently so far on this new channel, and on my main channel, I now have 7 review videos happening a week, so it's a review video every single day. And I've noticed that I've been able to make extra little videos as well on top of those review videos. So video content, I've been able to make more content because I've had more time. I've been able to get ahead on editing, where I've had everything, edited ahead of time essentially. So like right now on my main channel, I think I'm like 4 or 5 days ahead of schedule on everything. So super solid there. So it's helped out with getting a little bit more done. So on the positive side of things, I've been able to get more stuff done. And then also on the positive side of things, I've noticed that I've started to lose a little bit of weight, which I haven't changed my exercise routine. It is completely identical to what it was before. I'm not eating less food or anything like that. It's kind of weird. I've been doing everything I was before, but now I'm kind of starting to lose a little bit of weight. So those are kind of like the positives so far, is I've been able to get a lot more stuff done, and I've started to lose a little bit of weight. So another positive. The one negative out of this whole thing, actually there's two negatives, I would say. The first negative is I have felt a little bit more tired than I normally do, because it's really hard for me to adjust so far. I haven't fully adjusted to waking up at 5 a.m. every morning. This morning I did drop the ball a little bit. I woke up at like 6, I think it was about 6 o'clock in the morning, which sucked, and it was because I turned off my alarm and just didn't get out of bed. Other than that, I've been up at 5 a.m. every other morning, and so still adjusting. It's a little bit difficult. I do feel drowsy. I have had to start drinking a little bit of coffee, still not a lot of coffee, but just a little bit of coffee. And the other negative is, at nighttime, I've noticed, and this is kind of a positive, right? I've been able to go to bed sooner, but I have noticed that I kind of get just absolutely exhausted and tanked before, it's usually around 8 o'clock roughly, which is not good for me personally, because I still have some work to get done until about 9 or 10 o'clock every night. And so it has been kind of difficult adjustment wise. So that's the one negative thing about the whole waking up at 5 a.m. situation. Now my thoughts overall is that I really like it, and I feel like waking up early has been really positive in my life. I've been able to get more done, which in the long run is going to help me out. Obviously I'm going to be able to grow this channel and my main channel just quicker, because I'm able to release more content. I'm going to get in a little bit better shape, which is obviously going to help me, just in my personal life, and also it's going to translate into business life, because I feel like, when I'm healthier, when I'm in better shape, I can just perform better. It's that whole situation with look good, feel good. It all comes together. So yeah, I really feel like it's a big positive for me waking up at 5 a.m. And if it's something that you can fit into your life, I would definitely recommend at least giving it a try. I understand that some of you watching this might have a crazy work schedule where you have to be at work super early. So maybe you could kind of like flop it in a way, or maybe just wake up even earlier. Maybe if you have to be at work at 6 o'clock in the morning, maybe wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning, get to the gym before you have to get to work, and then that just means you have to go to bed earlier. That is going to sum it up for today's video. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, put that in the comment section below. Please comment down below also what you want me to go over topic wise in the next video, so then I can film obviously what you guys want me to discuss. I'll see all of you in that next video.